While iCloud Photo Library offers seamless synchronization, users often face challenges during restoration, iOS updates, or iCloud sign-outs. The key question addressed is whether these missing photos are permanently gone or recoverable. Watch on to discover effective strategies. Part 2. How to fix photos missing from iCloud backup issue. 1. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi network. 2. Unhide photos. 3. Check the recently deleted folder. 4. Enable iCloud Photos. 5. Log in the same iCloud account. 6. Free up iCloud storage. Part 3. How to recover photos missing from iCloud Photo Library. If you've lost photos from iCloud Photo Library or your iPhone or iPad, or permanently deleted them, Doctor for iOS provides a solution to retrieve months or years of photos missing from iCloud with Doctor for iOS. Follow these steps. Step 1. Choose Recover from iCloud. Step 2. Scan the photos in your iCloud backup. Step 3. Recover lost photos on iCloud.